Buongiorno a tutti. Benvenuti a Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson you have learned adjectives. There was also a question. How do you say we are happy? A. Siamo felici. B. Siamo felici. The correct answer is B. Siamo felici. In today's lesson, I will teach indefinite article. Let's start. I will use English alphabet to explain it. In Italian, there are 4 indefinite articles, of which 2 are masculine and 2 are feminine. The indefinite article that you need to use depends on the gender of the noun and depends also on the first letter of the noun. Firstly, I will start with the masculine indefinite article. They are un or uno. Un is used with masculine nouns which begin with a consonant or a vowel. For example, un libro, a book. Un ragazzo, a boy. Un uomo, a man. Un albero, a tree. Un bicchiere, a glass. Uno is used with masculine nouns which begin with X, Y, Z, GN, PS, PN, or S plus a consonant. For example, uno zaino, a backpack. Uno studente, a student. Uno pneumatico, a tire. Now let's see feminine indefinite article. They are una or un with apostrophe. Una is used with feminine nouns which begin with a consonant. For example, una finestra, a window. Una ragazza, a girl. Una donna, a woman. Una classe, a classroom. Un with apostrophe is with feminine nouns which begin a vowel. For example, un'amica, a friend. Un'infermiera, a nurse. Un'orchestra, an orchestra. Un'arte, an art. Let's see the summary of this lesson quickly. In Italian, there are 4 indefinite articles. 2 of them are masculine and 2 are feminine. The masculine indefinite articles are always used before masculine nouns. Un is used before a consonant or a vowel. Uno is used before X, Y, Z, GN, PS, PN, or S plus a consonant. The feminine indefinite articles are used before feminine nouns. Una is used before a consonant. Un with apostrophe is used before a vowel. Now I have a quiz for you. Which article goes before storico? A. Uno. B. Un. You can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. My Instagram is learn_Italian20, where you can find also the slides of this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and rate and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, I'm going to teach some school vocabulary and also have to ask what is it in Italian. Grazie, arrivederci.